Right, so we've got the pipes off. I'm going to show you on this, a minute, take the camera up. I'm going to show you on this short pipe what we're going to do. Now, on the long pipe, it had snapped just here, just as we were leaning against it. No doubt that would snap, but we're going to keep these in a, as it came off the car, because we're going to use these as a template to bend our new pipes. Now, remembering too that we cut off the pipe here. When we make our new pipe, we must add that length plus a little bit to the new pipe so that we get the correct length. All right. I always sort of err on the side and put a little bit more on than a little bit less, because if you're a bit too tight and you can't get your pipe in, it's a new pipe and it's a waste of money. So how do I measure pipes? I've done this before, but maybe some viewers haven't seen this. It's a great technique. Use it all the time. And especially if you're doing custom jobs where you want to measure a brake pipe, and we simply use, well, I simply use a roll of lead solder. Why? Well, you can use string, but this is flexible and you can push it into places where a brake pipe would go, because it's about the same size, and form it around this pipe. So, for example, this is going to be tricky to do whilst filming, but if we wanted to make this top ring, for example, this piece, we want to make that piece, we simply go like that, look. Oh, bloody things all over the place, it's like water dividing. So we make a thing like that, and we've got a little bit sticking out the end to put the pipe fitting on. Now, the beauty about using this method, once you've made a complete one out of this, and you don't have to cut it off the roll, when you come to the piece that you want to stop at, I simply just make a bend like that, so I know that that's the end, you know, so that's going to be the length of that pipe end. You can simply then pull it from that bend to there, and that's the length of pipe you need. Then you can bend it to shape. A lot of people do that and try and use steel or copper pipe to bend to this. It's far easier using this. Like I say, if you get some tricky pipes that go like from the front brake master cylinder under the wheel arches and things like that, this is brilliant to use, because you can just to say stuff this into a brake pipe fitting, I haven't got one here, and hold it in place whilst you're bending and manipulating the pipe, pull it out, straighten it out, and that's the length of pipe you need. Another top tip.